Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. This is my recap of the top videos of the day, and gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, yeah, it's definitely been a trend trader's dream lately, that's for sure. I was actually expecting gold to make a bigger pullback like this, like a bigger wave 4. But that's why I do not count a trend trade, and I definitely did not try to short gold, that's for sure. Ended up happening was it made 1, 2, 3 waves down to the 23% Fibonacci and then golfing move up eventually and just continued the uptrend. I think that now that it's all over, it's pretty clear that this is still a wave 3, a 4 hour time frame wave 3. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is all higher highs, higher lows for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. We are approaching the 178.6. Maybe that's where the bigger wave 4 will come. Maybe not. I do know that even if it does go down, I would not be sorting it, because if you tried to sort it over here thinking it was going to go down for a wave C, you definitely would have lost money in that one. So I personally wouldn't be sorting it. Even if it does try to go down, I definitely would be continuing to look for longs, because the trend is your friend. And I have had so many people contact me lately saying that they've been losing money trying to sort gold. Gold is still in a wave 3 on every single higher time frame. Gold could literally go to $3,000 an ounce or more, pretty easily. So be careful on gold. The trend is your friend. So, anyways, looking at the news calendar, we do have a couple things to keep an eye out for. We have the Canadian interest rate news coming out tomorrow. They are planning on lowering interest rates by 50 basis points. That's a pretty big drop, so we'll expect to see some moves out of the CAD pairs. And then the CAD press conference, definitely keep an eye out for that. Really, the rest of this news is not that big of a deal in my eyes. I mean, maybe Lagarde could move the euro pairs a little, depending on what he says, but most likely not. Home sales, definitely not much of a mover. Oil news, not much of a mover. Yeah, Kiwi news, no, not really. And maybe the Bailey Speaks could do something, but really, besides the Canadian news, that's pretty much the only thing I would really be concerned about. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.